This is the only tool you need, guys, if you really want to start making money, shipping or e-commerce or whatever business you even do that involves people buying or listening to you. This is the tool you will need. And let me show you how much it costs, all right, to have all of this going on. Now, as you can see, I'm on the VIP plan, all right, VIP plan, and this is the plan I'm on currently, which is the $155. So I'm going to explain what this gets you and how you can use them effectively. Now, for the starter plan, you have 1,000 ads per query, meaning this is what it gives you. All right. Then there's all the 50 ad detail per day, the 50 product detail per day, 50 advertisers details per day, and for one person, it's also for one person, you have 10 credits here, 10 AI credits here, you have no AI credits here, and all of that. And you can start a 1 day trial with a $1 trial. 3-day $1 trial. All right. You can have that here. And this is the pro, all right, the pro option where you have 10,000 ads per query, 1,000 ads detail per day, 10,000 products per day. When you have 200 here, you have 1,000 here. Now, this is if your business has gone off the roof and then you have make a lot of queries, you're trying to find out, do more research on a regular basis. But if you're starting out, I think this is fine. VIP is quite okay for you. All right. You want to go with this, fine, no problem. So you just see how it works. We try out here. But in my opinion, this is fine. And this gives you like 200 TikTok shop per day, meaning you could research out 200 TikTok shop every single day. You research the next day to 200 again. You research the next day 200. You're good to go. Now, what this does is just helps you, look into what's going on out there so that you end up not wasting money. Now, let's do the maths. Imagine you have a product you're trying to promote, all right, and you think the product makes some sense. Maybe you went through Google Trends or somebody told you the product, okay, now let's break out how much you'll be spending so far. If you, first of all, go on and spend money in maybe building a platform, like on Shopify or whatnot, Shopify, you'll be spending about $27 or thereabout per month, okay? $27 per month for that product. Okay, and use for ads, you really want to spend really good ads, in my opinion, $10 per day is what you should do, the lowest. Anything lower than this is not worth it. All right. Then if you're not going to Shopify route or you want to host your platform yourself, you could simply just say, let's say, for example, you spend about $800 if you're building your own drop shipping business yourself. Now, look at how much you've spent so far. Now, all of this money, okay, would go to waste if you are not sure of the product you want to sell. You have to be super sure before spending money like this. Now, $20 per day, that means in 2 days, you spend $40. In 10 days, you spend $400. Now, should you waste this money on ads? Meanwhile, you have this 155 for the whole month to make sure that this money you're spending for ads is well spent. You don't waste the money. You see how much, if you follow my channel, you see how much I spend on ads on a regular basis and see how much others spend on ads. Now, what this shows you is that before you go and spend the thousands of dollars on ads and get no result, get little result, why not come on here, invest here first, so that you're sure that what you're doing, right, is the right thing, that you're striking your blow to hit, your target. Okay, so when you do that, it's helping you to maximize your profits and you don't end up spending money. Now, because you're going to spend all of this money in any way, right? The money for your Shopify account, the money for your WordPress design account, the money for ads, you're going to spend this money anyway. Why not have a airtight system where even if you're spending all of this money to make sure your business gets off on a great start, you have something that helps you, like a blueprint that guides you on the product, that guides you on the store, that guides you on your competition. All right. Yes, they also do that. They show you what your competition is doing at the moment so that you can compare and see, are they doing better than you, or or should you change, or are you doing better than them, or what can you to tweak your business? Everything is in PiPiads. It's your one-stop shop. So if I were you, I would give it a spin. All right. If you're serious about dropshipping, just go on the first link in the description and click on it, and then use the coupon that appears on your screen and simply have 20% off. All right. This is amazing tool, regardless of the package you opt in for. If you're serious, you need to know what's happening behind it. This is like having a business, all right? Having the behind the scene, right? Many businesses will not open their books for you. I know I would not. If you come to me and say, "Oh, you want to see behind, my data, how I run my ads, and all of those things, where are my products?" I would not really want to show you. But PB ads will show you, will open the curtains and say, "This is what this guy is doing. This is what that guy is doing," that you can implement the same thing and make your own or have your own success story. There's really no need to reinvent any wheels. All you need to do is just jump in the wagon. All right. Follow what others have been doing and you're good. You're safe. Don't pick a product that don't go on picking products that you've not tested, that nobody has tested. You look for a product, a winning product that people have tested, and then you jump from there. For example, if I click on dashboard now, you will see that they have somewhere called winning products. All right. See, winning product of the day is here. Okay. So you don't need to think that this is like 2 days ago. This ad I'm running for like 2 days ago. No, this was the data was 2 days ago, but I think the ad started like March, around March. Okay. And around March is still good. No, it's not up to a year. So it means that this would actually make some sense. Look at this one. Also around March. You scroll down, you see March. So meaning these ads or these products can do very well because they are not old products. They're a bit new product that you could jump into. There are many other things there. So you come on here, advertisers, click on advertisers. You will see people who are advertising already at the moment. All right. And you see shop.tiktok, Facebook. These are people that are currently running ads. This is today. The impressions this is 316.4 impression. And this ad is also from Facebook, so some activity from TikTok, Google. So the advertisers, in all spaces, also for Google. All right. This is also for WhatsApp. Okay. For WhatsApp. It's crazy, guys. If you click on this, I'm going to show you a bit more. You see why it's good to have the paid tool. You're able to see what people are doing. This is, using the WhatsApp API. Wait for it to load up. Sometimes it takes. All right. This is only on TikTok. All right. So you can visit store if you want, but let's go on competition and traffic. So there's no data here because of how we came here. There are lots of things here that you could use to get started. This is also for Instagram. So it has 530 million. This is quite a lot. All right. So let's see what's the data that we have here. The country here, Puerto Rico, Hong Kong, Portugal, and all of that. Okay, so this is what advertisers are spending at the moment. See ad costs on TikTok alone, the impressions. All right, on TikTok. Okay, so this is like they spying through Instagram, right? So there's a lot this tool has to offer. And like I said, if you stay around, subscribe to the channel, I would be doing more videos so you see how this platform work and how much you stand to gain using them or adding them to your other research tools that you use for your dropshipping. This Cash by Tita. Subscribe to the channel if you like content like this. Feel free to ask any question in the comment section, and also click the first link in the description to get access to this amazing tool and have 20% discount off using the coupon that appears on your screen. See you in the next one.